Hey guys, as I told you, now I'm gonna show you how to test a DC bulb with an analog multimeter. So you take an analog multimeter in your hand, but you need a DC bulb. Okay, this thing, this point. Now I'm gonna show you, and this is an analog multimeter. It has two connections. One is red and one is black. It has two. So you need to keep in your mind. Now let's put black into the negative sign last, as you can see, put in here, and red one you put into 10k, that means 10k ohm. So you put in, now you put in, and now I'm gonna show you how to test it. So you can watch my analog screens. Now I'm gonna show you. Actually, it is not only to measure, it is also needed to measure the resistance. So but it can also test that whether the DC bulb is good or bad. You can watch as we touch the both wires, the meters increases, the meters point to the zero. So now let's start. Okay, I take a bulb, as you can see. Now I'm gonna test it. But before testing, you should be careful the positive and negative sign. You should put the black wires into the negative sign. As you can see, the bulb light up. That means it is good. It is a good bulb. So with the help of an analog multimeters, you can understand whether the bulb is bad or good. So it's good examples how to test